how you can delete your Instagram search history. Now, before I teach you guys how to do that, if you are new to our channel, just go down below, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new video and you don't miss it. Now, let us just start. First, just open up your Instagram. Now, after you open your Instagram, when you go to your search page right there, explore page, and go to the search, you can see all the recent searches that I've made. Now, if I search for something else, and if I just tap on it, as you can see, it gets added on my recent search right there. Now I can just delete it from right here too, but the other way to delete all of it together is if go to your profile and then tap on the 3 horizontal lines on the top right, and after you tap on it, just scroll down till you see your activity. Tap on your activity and scroll down a bit more, and after you scroll down, you should see an option that says let me just see, recent searches under how you use Instagram. Tap on recent searches and you can delete it one by one too, or you can just tap on clear all and you can delete all of it at once. So that is how you delete Instagram search recent searches, guys. So that is pretty much it for the video. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos and bye bye, take care.